Hi mums and cute little babies, welcome to iCare Baby Cook House. Easy recipes just for you. Well, today I'm going to prepare the pasta. Like when we say pasta, kids will turn their head immediately and they'll simply nod, yes, we want pasta. So today I'm going to share with you all the healthy Italian pasta recipe which my son loves a lot. So I would like to share with you all. So for the recipe, stay tuned. Hi mums and cute little babies. Welcome to iCare Baby Cook House. Easy recipes just for you. Myself is SM. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free and help iCare Baby to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and Instagram. So let's have a look at the ingredient first.
So we need 1 bowl of wheat pasta. You can choose any pasta that you'd like. 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So we need all these vegetables and herbs. So let's have a look at each of them. 1 carrot, cut it into small pieces. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 15 to 20 spinach leaves. Small cup of green peas. 1 medium-sized tomato, finely chopped. 5 to 6 green beans, finely chopped. 4 to 5 seedless olives. This is totally optional.
And these are the herbs. This is the thyme. This is a rosemary. The rosemary and thymes you can also use in soup, vegetable stew. It really tastes good. And this is Italian herb. Then this is dried parsley. This is dried oregano. And this is the salad seasoning, which contains the celery seed, poppy seed, then sesame seed, paprika and other ingredients. This is completely optional. If you don't want to use it, you can avoid that. All these herbs you can get it in any supermarket or superstore. So let's get started.
So let's cook the pasta first. So add the pasta and 1 to 2 cups of water. Turn on the gas and set the stove to medium heat. Stir pasta in between to make sure that it won't stick to the bottom. Make sure the pasta is fully cooked before turning off the gas. Take another pan, set the stove to medium-low heat, add butter in the pan, add onion, let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes, then add finely chopped tomato, cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, then add carrots and mix well. After 1 to 2 minutes, add green beans, then add green peas and mix well. Finally add spinach and all the herbs together as well as olive oil and stir well. Wow, it really smells good now. Cook it on a low-medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes to make sure that vegetables are fully cooked. Finally add pasta to the pan and mix the all vegetable and pasta well. Add some salt for taste and mix well. It's looking yummy and smells great. So our pasta is ready. Serve it in a bowl and enjoy eating.
I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So definitely try this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free and help iCare Baby to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from iCare Baby. Till then, ciao!